Hey everyone, welcome back to How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Elan credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.elanfinancialservices.com and press enter. Go and mouse over to this credit card program and click whether it's for your bank or credit unions. Click on one of your choices and on the next page, click on this partner login button at the top right hand corner. You'll need to enter your login information in order to log into your Elan credit card account. Type in a user ID in the first text box. Now, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon. In case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, you can click on this forgot your password link and follow the instructions in order to change to a new password. If you don't remember your user ID, you can click on this forgot your user ID link and follow the instructions to look for it. If you've not enrolled into Elan credit card services yet, click on this enroll now link and follow the instructions. After entering your user ID and your password correct and you're ready to log in, click on the submit button in blue and you'll be logged into your Elan credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.